Alt text for media is important for search engines and screen readers. Also, it helps understand the context when the media doesn't load for any reason. So, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add alt text in WordPress. We'll cover both Gutenberg and Elementor. Let's start it with Gutenberg first. Log into your site and open your post or page in WordPress. Now, click on the image. In the right sidebar, find the alt text field. Write a short and clear description of the image. Update or publish the page. Done! Your image now has alt text. Wow! You can also add alt text from the media library. To do that, go to your media, then the library. Click on any image or media and you can see the alt field around it. In most cases, you can see it on the right side of the panel. Add your image description and save the changes. This alt text can now be reused anywhere in the image is used. Now, the Elementor style. Open the page with Elementor and click the image widget. Select or upload your image, go to the image setting and add alt text in the alt field. Update the page and that's it. And that's how you can easily add alt text into the WordPress using Gutenberg and Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and check out for more WordPress tutorials.